all the people of Goa, all the panchayats, how the regional plan 2021 was formulated. We have to reorganize, rearrange the plan, considering the fact that many parts of Goa, especially forest area, green areas, sheltered areas, they are unmarked, have to be brought under protection. Otherwise, they will be destroyed. You can imagine 26.5 lakhs square meters were about to be destroyed and they got saved. Still, this section 72 amendment still continues. So he can still get a law from the back door. We need that this section amendment has to be scrapped completely. It is time for us to go to Supreme Court and get it scrapped. Otherwise, this man will bring it to some other door. Because Goa has a history, right from Babuj Monserrat to Vijay Sardesai. Then came Michael Lobo, and now our man Vishwajit Rane, who is the current discipline minister, has been the most corrupt ministry. And how can a minister hold a 2 portfolios of forest department and also DCP? Is a conflict of interest. Besides being a broker, he is doing all this nonsense. He allows the cutting of trees, he allows the destruction of sheltered areas, he allows the concretization of the destruction of the ground water. Our entire earth, entire Goa has been destroyed completely by this man. So we have to get him out and ensure that once this man is out, the new person who comes doesn't repeat this nonsense. Yeah? Thank you very much.